Sigma notation. Now, sigma is this Greek symbol here, and it's the Greek letter for S, and it means the sum of so many terms. Now, those of you who are doing statistics 1 will come across this symbol in statistics, but those of you who are doing mechanics, the only time you'll come across it is when you're looking at series and sequences. And basically, it's the sum of so many terms. Now, the number which is usually written at the bottom is where you start from. So, for example, 1. And the number at the top is where you're ending. So you're doing the sum of all the terms from 1 to 4. So, write down the first 4 terms of the sequence defined by un equals 3r minus 1, for r is greater than or equal to 1. Then it says, hence find the sum of the first 4 terms. Because remember what I said, this 4 here means where you're going up to, and this is where you start. So we're starting at r equals 1, and we're finishing when r is equal to 4. Now the first thing we need to do is write down the values of u1, u2, u3 and u4. And all that involves doing is substituting in 1 in place of r in the equation. So I'll do the first one in full, which will be 3 times 1 minus 1. So 3 times 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2. Next one is going to be 3 times 2, which is 6, minus 1 is 5. The third one, 3 times 3 is 9, take away 1 is 8. The fourth one, 3 times 4 is 12, take away 1 is 11. And what you should notice, if you've done this correct, those values should go up in 3 every time, which they do. Now we can find the sum of the first 4 terms, because we've got u1, we've got u2, we've got u3 and we've got u4. So that is all that we're asked to do. Okay, so now what we've got to do is we've got to add together those 4 values we've just found. So we've got to add together 2, add 5, add 8, add 11. So 2 add 5 is 7, add 8 is 15, add 11 is 26.